In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom ability in Ability Wars. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to find the option to make a custom ability and how it works. So you can make a custom ability in Ability Wars by purchasing this game pass. So you will see that unlike the other abilities here, this one will require a specific game pass. So you can either click on it or just go over to the store and you will also find the option here. So it costs 400 Robux. This will allow you to customize an ability and you can use it as your own. So essentially, it is a unique ability to you. So purchase it for 400 Robux. Sadly, on this account, I don't have it, but I'm still going to teach you how to use it. After you purchase the Game Pass, if you look on its pedestal, there is actually going to be the option to customize it. So all that you have to do is go over to the pedestal and click on Customize. This has to be done in the lobby before you go into a fight. So once you choose the option to customize, you will be able to browse through all of the options. So you can use your U and Q ability, and you can either make it a self-inflicted effect or a projectile. So as you can see, here are some examples of projectiles. You have Drill, Beam, Prisma, Split, Rain, Disc, Explode, and Bolt. Sadly, because of the nature of this video, I can't show you every single one, but the name should be very descriptive. You will be able to use these abilities and they will do unique attacks. Some of them will do no damage, but you will be able to get soaking effects. Some of them will do a lot of damage. Some of them will accompany you, and there are various different combos that you can do. On the wiki, they have a lot of combos that are recommended, so you can do stuff like teleporter, bolt, and controller, drill and controller, syringe or drill and gigadisc, and so on. Like I said, I apologize for not being able to demonstrate all of these in detail, but the purpose of this video is just to teach you how to get and use it. So just purchase it from the Game Pass pedestal and then choose the option to customize. I hope I was able to help you on how to use custom ability in Ability Wars. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.